Hello and welcome back. Welcome to my channel. My name is Tori, and today I have an update for the Colourpan Project Pan. This project pan was created by Misty. As always, she will be listed down below, as well as everyone else participating in this project because it is a Fantastic Ladies collab project. Let's jump into it. For this year's round for this project, for me, I only have 4 items in at a time. Starting off with, unfortunately, old reliable, my blush. My blush is from the Powerpuff Girls collab. This is the Saving the World blush. My goal in this project is to use it 20 times. Since the last update, I've used it twice. It has 10 more uses to go. I would really like to actually focus on this for next month. That is definitely a goal. I would like to start pulling in my more autumnal colored blushes for this project because I have a lot from Colourpop, more than I thought. So that is definitely going to be a goal for next month. Then my Super Shock shadow is in Moon Daisy. So this is what it looks like. It's a silvery purple, I guess is the best way to describe it. It can be very sheer. My goal is to hit pan. Since the last update though, I only used it once. I forgot how sheer I can make it. I could actually be wearing this every day with how sheer it can go. So maybe pan for the next update, not too sure. Next was from the Winx collab. This is Morphic Shield. This is rolling out. So the goal with the what do you call it? Stick eyeshadows is 10 uses. Since the last update, I needed 5 uses and I hit the 5th use on August 11th. I had a lot of fun pairing this shade with orange. They were very complimentary towards each other. I got a lot of compliments for it. And it felt like I made a basic look fun, and I really enjoyed that. And I also paired it with the eyeliner that's rolling out. I never looked which one this was. I have no idea if this is Gobi or if this is Good Reef. I have a feeling this is Good Reef. Yeah. Since this update, it was rolled in. The goal was to use it 5 times, and I hit the 5th use on August 5th. I had fun pairing it with Morphic Shield. They worked well together, which is, you know, that was what I wanted, and I'm happy it worked out. So now the 2 items rolling in. So for the eyeshadow stick, I chose the last one from the Winx collab that I own. I think there was like 2 or 3 more for the girlies, but I only bought 3 of them. This, I believe, is called Golden Pollen. I could be wrong. If I could find it, I'll put it on the screen. My name has already rubbed off, but it is a green to red. So it's going to be interesting. It's going to be a little bit more bold than the Morphic Shield. I feel like Morphic Shield I was able to pull off at work. Maybe this one could work. I feel like it will go nice with pink, but also yellow and green. So we'll see what I make looks wise with this. The goal will be 10 uses. If it happens in a month, great. If it doesn't, it's whatever. If it does happen in a month, I'm gonna have to replace my stick eyeshadow collection because I think this is my last one that hasn't been in this project, besides the ones that are already in projects. That would be fun. So then the eyeliner that is rolling in is the eyeliner in Overboard. I don't think I've ever used this one. Okay, it looks like I used it literally once. So my goal with this is to use it 5 times, as always, but it's like a satin brown. I want to call it metallic. It has a little sheen. I don't know. It's going to be interesting. very interesting. We'll see if I like it. But yeah, that is what is switching up in this project for me. So far, I'm very happy with what I have. Yeah, I'm really enjoying this. So let me know what you think down below. What would you pair with little golden pollen over here? And I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this. Bye.